two people here asking for a favor. Somebody could help me out. I have a 02 Pontiac Bonneville with a 3.8 engine that it's making a, I'm gonna say, a whining noise on the engine. I just changed the serpentine belt, alternator, the tensioner. I know there's like a bearing in there, changed that too. So my power steering pump was changed about maybe a year ago or less. I was told it might be my water pump, that there's some type of bearing in there. I'm not sure. I don't have a leakage, but I don't know if I'm driving right now, so hopefully you guys could hear it. I should actually, I'm gonna be quiet so you guys could hear it, and maybe somebody out there has a similar problem and got it fixed already and could help me out. So let me know if you guys could hear it, and if not, I'm gonna have to do a video from outside the car, which I'm gonna do too. Open up the engine, the hood, so you guys listen to it a little closer. All right, let me know if you guys could hear this part. And then in a couple of minutes, I should be able to. I'm actually parking, so you guys could hear the engine with the hood open. So hopefully somebody out there is gonna help me out on this one. All right, here's with the engine open. Let's see, what do you guys think? Comes out over here. You hear it over here on this side, on the passenger side. So that's the noise. So hopefully somebody can help me out and appreciate it. Thank you guys.